Hello, driving intelligence community. What we have here is a Cadillac Cts-v, Generation 1. Those are model years 2004 to 2007 with a 6-liter engine. As a quick tip, you should pay close attention to your master cylinder for your clutch. These can run out of fluid rather quickly and rather often. I actually just filled this up probably 6 months ago. I hardly drive this vehicle and it's already low on fluid. I'll fill this up with DOT4. There's a procedure for bleeding this every so often. I'll do a video on that in the future. But that's about it. If you're having shifting problems, make sure you check this. It also might be the fluid in your transmission. The 6-speed transmission, the fluid gets fouled rather quickly. I'm changing mine about every 30,000 miles, and I'm using Royal Purple. I got some great performance out of that. It takes about 4 quarts. I have another video on my channel about that, so look it up. I'll link it at the end of this. If you have any questions about this, please leave it in the comments below. Give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe. I'm looking for more followers.